In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a TXT record on Namecheap step by step, even if you've never edited DNS settings before. This is a common task when you need to verify a domain, connect a service, set up email authentication, or complete a website setup. The good news is that Namecheap makes it fairly simple once you know exactly where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, look for the domain list option in your dashboard. Click that and you'll see all of the domains connected to your account. Find the domain you want to edit, then click Manage next to that domain. This opens the settings page for that specific domain, which is where you can change DNS records and other domain settings. On the domain management page, look for the Advanced DNS tab and click it. This is where Namecheap stores the records that control things like verification, routing, and other domain-related services. Now scroll down until you find the host record section. Here, you'll see the option to add a new record. Click Add New Record. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, select TXT Record. Once the TXT record appears, you'll need to fill in the required fields carefully. In the host field, enter the value provided by the service you're connecting to. This is often something like @TT or a specific verification host, depending on whether you're setting up domain verification, email authentication, or another DNS task. Next, go to the value field and paste or type the TXT value exactly as given to you. This part is important because TXT records are usually case sensitive in practice, and even a small mistake can cause the verification or connection to fail. If your provider gives you quotation marks, copy the value exactly as instructed unless they specifically say not to. After that, look at the TTL setting. In most cases, you can leave TTL as automatic. That is usually the safest and easiest option unless you were given a specific TTL value by your provider or a technical setup guide. Once everything looks correct, double-check the host and value fields one more time. DNS records can take time to update, so it's worth making sure the information is accurate before saving. When you're ready, click Save All Changes. Namecheap will now store the TXT record in your DNS settings. At this point, the record is added, but it may not work instantly everywhere. That's because DNS changes need time to propagate across the internet. In some cases, propagation may happen in just a few minutes, but it can also take longer depending on the service and your DNS cache. So if you don't see the result immediately, don't panic. Just wait a little while and check again later. And that's it. You've successfully added a TXT record on Namecheap. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.